There are moments in life when things seem to be moving slowly, and the desire for change feels overwhelming. It's easy to think that you must force things into motion or rush the process, but there's a powerful truth: everything you want will come to you at the right time. This concept isn't about waiting idly, but rather about trusting in the flow of life and aligning yourself with the natural rhythm of your desires. The first step in this journey is learning to trust that life unfolds exactly as it should. We often become anxious when things don't manifest as quickly as we'd like. But real growth and success don't come from forcing things, they come from knowing that everything will happen in its own time. This trust allows you to step back and give space for your desires to manifest naturally. When you align with this flow, the right opportunities, people, and circumstances will show up at the perfect moment. When you stop resisting and start trusting, you create an energy of ease that attracts the right experiences into your life. This doesn't mean you stop taking action, it means you take inspired action, grounded in the belief that what you want is already on its way. The universe knows when you're ready, even when you don't. Patience is often misunderstood as passivity. Patience is a powerful form of active trust. It's not about sitting back and doing nothing, it's about having the inner peace to allow things to unfold without frustration. Real patience comes from knowing deep down that everything you desire is already in motion. This understanding frees you from the anxiety of forcing results. By cultivating patience, you open up to the idea that there is a perfect time for everything. You don't need to rush, you don't need to force your way. Instead, you can focus on preparing yourself and staying open to receiving what's meant for you. When the time is right, you'll know it because everything will align with ease. Patience also teaches you how to enjoy the present moment rather than constantly looking for the next thing to achieve. Manifestation isn't about wishful thinking or hoping for something to appear. It's about aligning your thoughts with the belief that your desires are already on their way. The thoughts you focus on shape your reality, and when you align those thoughts with the understanding that your dreams will come to you at the right time, you set in motion the forces needed to bring them into your life. Your mind is incredibly powerful. When you consistently focus on what you want, whether it's success, love, health, or happiness, you send a message to the universe that you're ready. But more than that, you also prepare yourself internally for the changes that need to take place before your desires can manifest. In this space of alignment, things flow effortlessly toward you. One of the most important parts of this process is learning to let go of attachment to outcomes. When you trust the timing of your life, it means letting go of the need to control the exact moment things unfold. Attachment creates resistance, while letting go creates space for your desires to come to you naturally. Letting go doesn't mean giving up or resigning yourself to a life of inaction. It means releasing the need for certainty. It's the belief that, just because you don't see immediate results, it doesn't mean that your desires are out of reach. By letting go of this attachment, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and open up to receiving what you want, exactly when you're ready for it. To receive everything that is meant for you at the right time, you need to be aligned with your highest self. Your higher self knows what is best for you and can guide you toward the right decisions, the right opportunities, and the right timing. The more you align your actions, thoughts, and energy with your higher purpose, the more naturally your desires will manifest at the right moment. When you're in alignment, you don't force things, you allow them. You trust that the timing of your life is perfect, and in doing so, you become a magnet for everything that is meant for you. The more you live authentically and honor your true desires, the more you step into the flow of life, where everything unfolds with ease. It's easy to feel like you're alone in your journey, especially when things aren't moving as quickly as you want. But recall that the universe is always supporting you. Every step you take is guided by forces beyond your conscious awareness. Your desires aren't just floating out there, they are being actively worked on, both in the physical and energetic realms. The universe understands when you're ready for what you're asking for. And sometimes, that means creating space for your desires to come to fruition. Sometimes, that means preparing you for the success or growth that's about to happen. In those moments when it feels like nothing is happening, trust that there's a greater plan unfolding. Every delay, every detour, is simply preparing you for the right time. To understand when the right time has arrived, self-reflection is key. Often, we're so caught up in the rush to get somewhere that we don't stop to ask ourselves whether we're ready. Taking time to reflect on your goals, your motivations, and your readiness can help you realize when the time is truly right to move forward. Self-reflection allows you to assess your growth. Are you mentally, emotionally, and spiritually prepared for what you want? Have you aligned yourself with the person you need to be in order to attract those desires? The right time isn't just about external circumstances, it's about your inner readiness. When you've reflected and grown, you will know when the right moment has arrived. Sometimes, the universe sends signs to let you know you're on the right path. These signs can come in the form of synchronicities, new opportunities, or feelings of deep inner peace. They are the signals that things are aligning, even if you can't see the full picture yet. Recognizing these signs is an important part of trusting the timing of your life. It's not about waiting for everything to fall into place all at once, but about acknowledging the small signs and actions that guide you toward your desires. These moments of alignment are subtle but powerful reminders that you're headed in the right direction, and that your desires will come to you at the perfect time. While patience is crucial, it's also important to recall that patience doesn't mean inaction. You can still take steps toward your desires while trusting that they will come at the right time. This means staying consistent, being open to new opportunities, and continuing to move forward, without the pressure to have everything figured out immediately. Patience in action means trusting the process, staying flexible, and being prepared for what comes next. It's about keeping your energy aligned with your desires, taking inspired steps, and knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Ultimately, the magic of life lies in divine timing. There is a flow to the universe that orchestrates everything in perfect harmony. You don't have to force things to happen, they will happen when the time is right. Trust in this divine timing, and know that it's working in your favor. When you align with this understanding, you stop chasing after things and start allowing them to come to you. Divine timing takes away the pressure, leaving you to simply live your life, do your best, and trust that what's meant for you will find its way to you when it's time. The key is in letting go of the need to control, and trusting that everything is working in perfect harmony. One of the most powerful practices you can engage in while waiting for your desires to manifest is cultivating gratitude. Gratitude shifts your energy and perspective, allowing you to focus on the positive things already present in your life. By expressing thankfulness for the things you already have, you create an environment of abundance, which in turn attracts more of what you desire. In the waiting period, it's easy to get caught up in what's not yet here. However, when you consciously practice gratitude, you acknowledge the goodness that is already flowing into your life. Whether it's a small blessing or something major, each act of gratitude strengthens your alignment with the universe. This positive energy sends out a signal that you are ready to receive even more. Gratitude also helps you stay grounded and focused on the present moment, preventing you from becoming frustrated with what hasn't manifested yet. Instead of worrying about the future, you begin to realize that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. And this mindset creates a clear path for your desires to flow toward you at the perfect time. Belief is the foundation of everything you manifest. If you don't believe that your desires will come to you at the right time, you're not aligned with the energy of the universe. But when you fully believe that everything is happening for you, not to you, you create a powerful magnetic force that pulls everything you need toward you. Your belief in divine timing helps you to release the need for immediate results. It shifts your focus from fear and doubt to trust and hope. The stronger your belief in divine timing, the more you start to see evidence of it in your life. You begin to notice how things are lining up, how the universe is subtly preparing you for what's to come. Believing in divine timing also means trusting that you are exactly where you need to be, right now. Every moment of your life has led to this point, and everything you have experienced is preparing you for the next chapter. When you nurture this belief, you align yourself with the rhythm of life, and the universe can deliver everything you desire at the perfect moment. The right time is always unfolding, even when you can't see it yet. Trusting divine timing, practicing patience, and aligning yourself with gratitude and belief will bring your desires to fruition when the time is right. Your desires are already on their way, and every step you take brings you closer to what you've been waiting for. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on manifesting your desires and living in alignment with the universe's perfect timing. Stay patient, stay grateful, and trust that the best is yet to come.